Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming at you with another pre-market analysis video. This morning, we're going to be looking at the Great British Pound USD. Before we get started breaking down this Forex pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you're here. You're here because you want to be able to get good financial content and education to turn it and improve one's finances. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we clearly see that the British pound USD that this wants to go up. But every time we get to this area here, price comes down, price comes down, price comes down, because here was the last time we had a significant drop in our price. Okay, now we did come up very choppily, might I add, and then we stopped right here area where price came down, and that's what we're doing. Now, overnight, we did have some British pound news that did come out and change the fundamentals of the British pound. It has been one of our stronger currencies for the last couple of trading weeks, but we did have some news that come out to affect the fundamentals, and which is why you see, even though it kind of wants to go up, price is coming down. But as I've stated before, just because the chart is going up, just don't turn your trade idea from buying to selling because that's what's on the chart. Always keep in mind these charts. If it's going to buy, it's not going to just go up. If it's going to sell, it's just not going to go down. If you're buying, you're going to go up, you're going to go down. You're going to go up, you're going to go down, you're going to go up, you're going to go down. It's all about high highs and high lows. Same thing with selling. Selling is all about low lows and low highs. Okay? So, if you want to buy this, let's say if you wanted to buy this, you wanted to buy, right? This is actually pretty good because now we have a price pullback. Okay. So we have our price pullback, but this pullback is a little too smooth. This pullback is a little too smooth. I would rather want to see some drop in price that looks choppy, not this smooth before I was to enter back into this trade for a buy. But from a technical analysis standpoint, as I stated before, we did have some news that came out overnight that changed the fundamentals of the British pound, even though it's been one of our stronger currencies for the last few trading weeks. This news that came out did come out not too good, so it does have it acting as if it's weak for right now. Well, we'll see how that carries out rest into the trading day. And as we know, the USD is weak due to the American economy being in a state of inflation. Okay. So, in order for us to have this price push up, we will want to see a push up, slight pathetic week to go down, range, then go. Okay. Now, let's say we have a drastic shift in our fundamentals in which USD becomes significantly stronger because the American government is promising that it's going to fix the inflation. And as I've said in previous videos, just that news being released by the Fed or Joe Biden saying something to that effect will cause the markets to move. Okay. We will continue to have a push and price down, probably to this area right about here. A slight push, pathetic attempt to go up range before price continues to go down. But it does not look like America is going to be releasing any type of impromptu news about the inflation. They're more focused on using the interest rate to try to combat the inflation. So we'll have to see how that goes. But those are what can currently happen, or we can almost start to kind of get into a consolidatory point until we do have a fundamental shift in our strength for British pound USD, for either the British pound or the USD. So if we don't have a fundamental shift, we can continue to range out. But if we do, we'll start to go up or we'll start to go down. Okay. But unless if the strength levels remain the same, we could also be entering a range too. Okay, so just keep in mind, let the chart show you the breadcrumbs before you place your position. and happy trading.